Okay, this might be one of those times when being able to see the view screen would be helpful, but it looks like I'm in. Oh, I did get a couple sparks. So that's a keeper. Where's that big one I cut off now? This guy here. Let's see if I can get some sparks from the edge. I'm seeing a few sparks. Not a lot, but I am seeing some. Let's see. This guy here might be way too rounded, but let's try the Habilis one. It's my Habilis bush tools. Not getting any, not seeing any on this. You got this sharp little guy here. Hopefully you can see that. Let's see. Seeing some sparks. Got this little flake here. Let's see what I can do with this. I'm not seeing anything. Oh, I think I just saw one. Let's see. So if that one worked, then this one will work. How about this one here? Oh yeah, that's throwing off some sparks. Cool. I mean, it's not like sparks from a ferro rod, but and about this one. I'm not seeing any, so that'll be a maybe. Let's try this. It's kind of rounded, but the size was good. So one spark. We'll go in the maybe pile. This one was kind of bunk. Yeah, this big guy here. Some of these might be a bit too big for what I want to do, but not really getting anything out of this. Yeah, nothing from that. That one's probably too rounded. That one's probably too rounded. This one's got some jagged edges. Let's see. Not seeing anything out of this. No. This one was a maybe, I think. Nothing. This has got some decent sharp edges. Alrighty, well, I've got these pieces I'm going to take home. These were throwing, this one here was throwing some okay sparks, so I had 5 pieces out of it. The rest this one might be too rounded, so unfortunately we're on a gravel parking lot, so I can just dispose of them.